Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia from seizures and strokes to the cerebellum. One exercise that you can do anywhere and is good for everyone even if you or do not have a neurological disorder are planks as demonstrated in this video. One of the main benefits of the plank is core strength. By having a strong core, you are making your balance that much better. A lot of people think the bridge plank are normal planks, but they are not. The normal plank as demonstrated is just the normal plank. The normal plank is less difficult than the bridge plank, that's why I think you see the bridge plank more because it can be thought to be a normal plank. The normal plank is very similar to the beginning of a push-up, but of course you just want to get in and hold that position. The normal plank is something to begin with before going to the bridge plank. Most people go straight for the bridge plank, but you don't have to. Just like with any exercise, work your way up to perfect the technique. Now comes the bridge plank as demonstrated. The bridge plank is more difficult than the normal plank, but is the most mistaken to be the normal plank. I think because this is what you see most people doing. With all planks, including this one, you are working many body parts, but most importantly the core. Us with ataxia or other neurological disorders do not have the best balance. If you try to increase your core strength, it will help with your balance. It won't make your balance perfect, but it will definitely help. Now to the most difficult plank. The side plank as demonstrated can be the most difficult and unsteady of them all if you suffer from ataxia or in general for that matter. I've been doing planks before I got diagnosed with ataxia and it was difficult then and even more so now. There are multiple ways to do the side plank, but always start with the normal and bridge planks first. The two side planks you can start with are normal side planks as demonstrated and then bridge side planks. In the case of the side bridge plank, you would have your elbow on the ground as support rather than your hand. Again, if you have a strong core, your balance will be better. As always, it's so important to get this content out there because most people, including some doctors, do not know anything about ataxia. Please help the channel out and bring awareness to ataxia, which is extremely rare, by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you.